The list of bad habits and the importance placed on identifying them may seem a bit daunting at first. Here are some tips and tricks to ease you into the process. Self-monitor. As you've read, self-monitoring is the primary tool for getting rid of the bad habits. You may not have retina sensors, EEG readers, or lab equipment, but you should still be able to catch yourself on the act of bad reading habits if you pay close attention. Once you recognize which of the habits are indeed slowing you down, you're giving yourself the power to stop those habits. One habit at a time. Don't focus on all of the habits at once. You will go crazy and will probably make yourself commit them all even more than you would naturally. Instead, focus only on one at a time. Practice thinking about each of these bad reading habits. It may take some time to get into a routine of self-monitoring for these bad reading habits. But once you do it, you're already empowering yourself to stop. Your goal is to decrease the bad and therefore increase the good. You will find that if you can stop yourself from performing any of these bad reading habits, then your speed will increase. Once you've managed to break these bad habits, you're on your way to becoming a professional speed reader. If you're really interested in taking your reading base to the next level, pay close attention to the next section. There, you will learn more about some of the really important techniques you can use to double your reading speed. Before moving on to the next section, read the passage in the resources section of this lecture several times. Try to eliminate a handful of the following bad habits when you read: suboptimal physical and mental conditions, distracting physical environment, reading out loud, subvocalization, regression, erratic eye movement. Try to take one of these habits at a time and see if you are guilty of doing them. Once you discover which ones you're doing, you have that much more power to stop yourself and to apply the skills listed in the next section.